everyone, in this video I want to show small project related to augmented reality. The project name is Augmented Reality 3D Game Objects by using Euphoria. So actually if you scan any book we'll get like a 3D objects. If you touch us like 3D objects, like we are feeling that objects. So it's like a very small project. Just watch this video till the end. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. You are going to learn lot many things in this channel. In this video I want to show AR game objects. What is meant by AR game objects? If I scan any target image, I want to get like 3D game objects which should be like rotate, and which should be like something display like 3D game objects. So this is my scenario. So to do that, I want to do something right. So I'll open my Chrome. So we are having like Unity software, right? So of course we are all using this Unity software. Just open Unity software. Meanwhile, opening the Unity software, we need to use like Euphoria. So to work with AR, we are having like Euphoria, we are having like AR core kit also. But I recommend to use Euphoria because why means it's like a very easy to use, and we can like the user interface was very neat. So just click Euphoria download for Windows 10 and just click this link. So no need to worry about this, guys. This link will provided in description. You can see and you can download this version, which is called Add Euphoria Engine to a Unity project. So you need to download. Just click this one and it will be, the package will be downloaded into your system. So after downloading, you need to install this package. You can see that just I agree this one and just download this one. Now I want to create a new project which is called AR game object project. So meanwhile I'm creating the new project. Yeah, the project will be created, and so actually I already installed Euphoria into my laptop, so I'm not installing that one. And after installation you can see that this is the Unity interface. I think you all of us know. And if you right click, I want to get like this Euphoria engine. So if you are getting like Euphoria engine, that means you installed Euphoria into your laptop. So it was installed in your Unity engine. So this is all about installation of Euphoria engine. So after installation, we need to add target image, right? So to add a target image, just go to Chrome and open developer.euphoria.com. So no need to worry about this website. The website link will be in description. Just open and you can see that. Click on register and register about your name and the company name. You can give like your you can give like a student, you can give like what you want, you can give any name as your wish, and just I agree and just create an account. So after creating an account, just log in. I have already account in Euphoria, so just I'm clicking the login. So after login in this Euphoria, we need to add like license manager. So just click the get development key and add the license manager. So give the license manager which is called game objects. I'm giving, so you can give like what you want. I'm giving like 3D game objects, it's like a better. So just create the license and you can check this one and just confirm, and the license will be created. You can see that we created the license which is called 3D game objects, and just click this one. Automatically the license key was copied into your clipboard. So just open this Unity and delete this main camera, and just right click, go to Euphoria engine and create a AR camera, and just import. It take time to import. Yes, it was imported almost into your Unity. So we done very good job, but we need to change some settings in Unity interface. For that we need to go to like build settings. We need to change the platform to Android. So just I'll open yeah. So you can see that I want to change some settings, right? So before working in AR project, we need to change the settings for every AR project. Then only we are going to work. So you can see that my Unity symbol is in PC, so I want to switching into Android. Actually, it's take time to switch the platform to Android. So after switching the platform to Android, so we need to change the player settings also. So it's very important, guys, while you're working with AR projects or VR projects, it's very important to change the player settings. So it's take time to change switch the platform to PC to Android. Just wait 2 minutes. You can see the observe the difference between the Unity. Yes, you can observe the Unity symbol in Android. That means the platform switch was done. It was very perfect. Now just click the player settings and you can see the player settings here. So you need to give the default company. I'm giving the default company Haripriya companies. What you want, you can give your own the company name. So just I'm going to other settings, and it's very important, guys. So just you need to give the company dot product name. So I'm giving the company name as well as Haripriya dot I'm giving the product name like 3D game objects. Clear, and you need to change the minimum API level to 5.0. After changing the minimum API level, and you need to uncheck this Android TV compatibility. It is very important to uncheck. And after unchecking this one, just go to XR settings and just click this Euphoria augmented reality. So this is about changing the settings in player settings. And now just click the AR camera and just open this Euphoria configuration and just paste this app license key. So this is the way to paste. Otherwise you can just click the add license. It automatically goes to Euphoria developer.euphoria.com and just click this one. And you can add like this also. Just copy and just paste it here also. This the two ways you can add. So after adding the license, just check this database, which is like having disable mode extraction. So after checking this, we need to add target image, right? So just go to target manager. So target manager means what the image you want to ask. So just you can create a new database what the want. Just I'm creating a new database. The name of the database is 3D game objects. Yeah, it should not be spaces between. Just create the database. Of course, I created the database which is called 3D game objects, and I'm adding the target. So just browse the targets. You can see that just add this target. So you can give like a width 10 and just add this one. We are getting like a 2-star image. It's not bad, also not good. So I want to get like at least 3 stars. So 3-star is the best to work with anything. And if you get like the image was 4-star or 5-star, it's like very good at image. And just download this one and just click the Unity editor. Just download this target image. Yeah, it's take time to download, and after downloading we need to do something. So just you can show in folder, just Control X and just make it here and just close this one and go to Unity, and we need to add the target image, right? Just go to assets and just go to custom package, import package, and just click the custom package and go to desktop and go to here and just open this one. So yes, we need to import all the things what we are having. Just click the import. We can see that if you click the assets, we are having like all folders like resources, stream, Euphoria, everything. So just right click here and just go to Euphoria engine and just add image target. So this is the image target what we are uploaded in Euphoria engine, but we are not able to see in game window, right? So why it was not able to see? We need to set the camera position, AR camera position. Just give the rotation to 90 and just give the scale to 5. Yes, of course, it's like better to give like 8. And this is the way, guys, to set the camera position. So after setting the camera position, so we need like 3D images. So if I scan this image, target image, I need to get like a 3D image, 3D objects, right? So for that, just right click here and just go to 3D game objects, which is like a cube. So yes, you can see the cube, right? Create a new folder which is called materials. Name it as materials and just right click and create a material which is called red or what you want. Just click this one and just go to albedo and change the color to red, and just drag this one and drop here, and you can see that my cube was red in color, which is called sphere. Just right click and create a sphere, and you are able to see the sphere, right? Be rotated. So this is my task. To rotate that, I want to create a script that is called, just right click and create a script. Yeah, so that is called rotate. Actually, you need to create a folder which is called scripts folder, and you can do it's open in Visual Studio. It's take time, so you need to write the code. The object should be rotated, so the cube has to be rotated. So what it should be rotated in, yes, for that I want to add like in update function I want to use like this dot. So I'm writing the code. So game object, so this dot game object means which game object has to be rotated. Dot transform dot rotate. So we are having the rotate default function. So vector 3 dot up. So how much speed it should be rotated? I'm giving the 5 speed. Just Control S, and just add this script to this cube which is called rotate cube. Just I'm renaming this cube to rotate cube. Add this script to rotate cube. Yeah, so I added the script, the rotate cube here, and just I'll play this one how it was working. We can see that everyone was able to see my thing. So you can observe that if I scan this book, so I'm getting like this rotate. So one my cube was rotating, and you can see that how it was working. Everything was fine. So if I remove this one, it's nothing. So this is all about rotation script. So yes, you can like we can like touch this. We are touching we are touching this object. So we are feeling like it's touching these objects, right? Yeah. One thing, so I want to build this one in APK. So go to build settings and just click the build, and you need to give the name of the APK. The name of the APK is game objects. Take time to build. Yeah, my APK was builded. You can see that like game objects.apk. So I connected my data cable, and I'm copying and I'm pasting into my phone, and I'll install my into my phone, and let's watch how it was working in my phone.
do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything, just do comments. I'll really